he's upset. I don't know what's going on with that.
It came on from that roof.
I was getting out my van, attending to the grave, and all of a sudden,
Yeah, it just
bang!
from there or there.
But I don't know.
And then
I thought he was trying to get me.
No, it's he's injured because we saw it walking.
I think he's gonna.
Something stuck in his throat.
Oh dear.
Because there's a lot of worms there.
He's choked on a worm.
Yeah.
He choked on a worm.
Yeah.
He don't look. I think he's asleep now. Do they sleep? Go and have a look.
Have you got a number?
I don't know. Who would you call?
RSPB.
Who would you call?
RSPB.
I don't know.
I'll try and call you.
Do something.
Yeah.
Get out. Gotta get out now. Yeah. What'd you do? Yeah, I was over there and I just like it flew at my face and I tried to get down on the floor.
Yeah.
I think he's alright. Oh no, it's not good.
Oh dear.
Come and have a look.
Oh, he's choking.
Oh God.
He's choking. Can we not turn
Shall I
it
touch
around?
him?
Yeah, turn him
Oh, I'm
around.
scared.
No, don't worry.
I'm scared.
Come on, let's.
Oh. Oh, Jesus Christ.
No, just turn him around.
Oh
Yeah,
God.
he's alive, he's alive.
Oh. Oh. I don't.
Yeah.
He's got something. Oh, his eye. He's got something in his eye.
Oh.
Oh no.
Can you take it out?
I don't know what to do.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Shall I put a...
What? Yeah, is that holy? Is that holy water?
No,
Let me bless it.
Sprinkle it. Just
Go on, go on.
sprinkle it.
Please, God.
Get it in his mouth. Oh God.
Put it on its side so it can
Shall I
breathe.
put him in a recovery position?
Yes, just on the side. Oh,
No, it's RSPB, but we don't know who wants to.
I think it's died. It's definitely died. Look,
No, a seagull.
look. There's some worms.
something's choked it.
But why is it?
Something's picked on her, its eyes, and it can't see. Yes.
Do you reckon?
Yes.
Do you think it's dead?
Yes. But I think, look.
Oh, its foot's moved.
Yes. Please, God. Please, God, help him.
Oh. Then
Yeah, it's injured its eye. So
at least the
what
worms.
happened was,
At least the worms are alive.
yeah.
Oh, I've
What
got to
happened
go.
was, yeah, go
Oh,
for
he's a
it.
bloody big one, isn't he?
It is, poor thing. Oh my God, it's what.